Today is a nuanced session, strong in some areas, weak in others. Here is the full picture. Welcome to MTRS_Market Pulse. Here is your complete Forex market briefing for June 4th. Currency markets are being driven by a complex mix of central bank policy, geopolitical risk, and shifting growth expectations. Let us break it all down. Here is a snapshot of how the major currency pairs are trading today. Euro to US dollar is trading at 1.16, gaining 0.06% on the session. The world's most traded pair is driven by ECB versus Fed rate differentials. Currency markets are reacting to the Iran conflict has disrupted oil supply. Gulf states are now looking to multi-billion-dollar investments in renewables. Fortune. Pound sterling to US dollar is trading at 1.34, losing 0.13% on the session. Sterling is highly sensitive to UK inflation data and Bank of England rate guidance. Currency markets are reacting to Apex's STRC collateralized stablecoin suffers a brief depeg. Protocol says it's a feature, not bug. US dollar to Japanese yen is trading at 159.86, losing 0.07% on the session. Dollar yen tracks the US-Japan rate differential and Bank of Japan intervention risk. Currency markets are reacting to Norfolk Southern Corporation stock. US 655844108 shares trade around $305 ahead of sector trends. Foku. USD SGD is trading at 0.7792, losing 0.27% on the session. The Singapore dollar reflects Asian FX sentiment, trade flows, and MAS monetary policy. Investor sentiment is being shaped by Trump's tariffs, Fed minutes, rumbles Bitcoin by what's moving markets. Australian dollar to US dollar is trading at 0.7137, losing 0.52% on the session. The Aussie dollar closely tracks commodity prices, especially iron ore, and Chinese growth signals. Equity markets are responding to reports that gold slips as rising oil prices and inflation concerns temper safe haven demand. Yahoo Finance. US dollar to Chinese yuan is trading at 0.1477, losing 0.16% on the session. The onshore yuan reflects PBOC daily fixings, US-China trade dynamics, and capital flow controls. Currency markets are reacting to the Iran conflict has disrupted oil supply. Gulf states are now looking to multi-billion-dollar investments in renewables. Fortune. Now let us look at the macro forces behind today's currency moves. On the geopolitical front, this comes as us pre-market. Three major indices mixed, oil prices rebound on Middle East tensions, Broadcom earnings ahead. TradingKey.com, adding pressure to energy markets. This is adding a risk premium across energy markets and supporting safe haven demand. The key macro overlay remains monetary policy. Investor sentiment is being shaped by Trump's tariffs, Fed minutes, rumbles Bitcoin by what's moving markets. Any surprise in the rate path could trigger outsized moves. On the data front, investor sentiment is being shaped by stock market today. Tech stocks rise as Snowflake surges after $6 billion Amazon deal and strong earnings. The motley fool. Currency markets are reacting to the Iran conflict has disrupted oil supply. Gulf states are now looking to multi-billion-dollar investments in renewables. Fortune. Currency markets are reacting to Apex's STRC collateralized stablecoin suffers a brief depeg. Protocol says it's a feature, not bug. Our near-term view on Australian dollar to US dollar. With Australian dollar to US dollar moving sideways today, the market is effectively waiting for a fresh catalyst. The $0.7315 level above and $0.6959 below are the levels to monitor for the next directional signal. Currency markets can move fast and unexpectedly. Central bank surprises, geopolitical shocks, and data prints are the key risks to monitor. Before we wrap up, here is your watch list for the sessions ahead. Keep a close eye on central bank speakers and rate commentary, and key economic data releases. Any one of these could be the catalyst that defines the next major directional move. If this breakdown was valuable, please share it with anyone who follows the markets. Subscribe and hit the bell so you never miss a market update. We read every comment. Drop your view below. Thanks for watching MTRS_Market Pulse. Nothing here constitutes financial advice. Please conduct your own due diligence. Good luck in the markets, and we will see you in the next video. That is your Forex briefing from MTRS_Market Pulse. Subscribe for daily currency coverage.